Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to download GB WhatsApp on your mobile phone. The first thing you need to do is to go up to Google Chrome. Type onto the search bar of Google Chrome. I'm going to type GB WhatsApp download gbplus.org, or you don't even need to do this whole process. You just need to go to the gbplus.org and click on the link. Now you have to scroll down till you find download GB WhatsApp APK. Click on it. Now scroll down till you find the latest version of that GB WhatsApp. And the latest version is always bigger than the older version, which is 19.20 version, which is the first one you can see on the screen right now. This is the first one. Click on download, then you will see and press yes to continue. I already have the application downloaded already on my mobile phone. So after you finish downloading, this is what the WhatsApp will look like. This is called the GB WhatsApp, and click on it. Now click on agree and continue after installing. So this is the update of the GB WhatsApp installed already. Okay, now the installation is complete. So now let's open it. Say welcome to WhatsApp. Agree and continue. So this is what the GB WhatsApp look like. You can play around with all the options with these options right here to see which one suits you most.